Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USA Clean for over 11 years, and this is a Tennant T300 20-inch auto scrubber. Now in this video series, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to properly maintain your equipment and also help minimize the cost and need of sending a service technician. Okay, so you need to replace a worn pad driver or worn brush, whichever one you have on your machine, or you just need to replace the worn pad on there. This is how you do it. Now, all Tennant T300s have magnetic pad drivers or brushes, so all you need to do is hit this yellow knob, and it releases the pad driver or brush. Pull it out just like that. Flip it around. Now, at this point in time, if you have a brush and it's worn and you need to replace it, you can replace it now. Or if you have a broken center lock or something you need to replace, this one's a twist off, but some of them have clip-ons. If you need to replace that, you need to get both pieces. What you're gonna wanna do is, of course, if it's a clip, you unclip it. If it's a twist off, you untwist it. At this point in time, you're gonna wanna unscrew these 3 Phillips head screws. Your new pad holder will come with 3 new screws as well. You can either reuse these or you can use the new screws. So you put your base back on, you screw it back down, take your new pad or your pad, put it back on the assembly, and now if you have the clip-on type, you would take it and clip it back on, or if you got a new screw-on type like this, you just take it and screw it back on. Flip your pad driver around or brush, slide it back under the machine, and like I said, they're magnetic. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watched, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.